Talk dummy. Talk dummy.
Got the dentist. Chloe and Kalia got dentist appointments today. You guys, get your teeth brushed, Mama.
Good job. A little bit more. Little bit more.
Open your mouth.
All done.
All done, Mama. Don't touch. She can't talk, Naya. Don't do that while she's getting her teeth cleaned.
So she's doing a good job at brushing. I would just say make sure she's getting the bottom gum.
Okay.
Better.
And floss too? Okay. I need to buy some floss.
I'm actually going to give those
Okay.
In their bag. So for the little one, I just put some floss sticks in there. You can use that when you feel like it's time to floss for her.
Okay.
And then for you, you have some normal floss. And then I will get some floss for her, and we'll just see if she's flossing pretty good or not.
Okay.
Go ahead and close, sweetheart. Open big. And close. Open really big.
It hurt. Is it cold? Clear.
Okay, you can relax for a second, okay? I'm gonna get some floss out.
Usually I do it.
Usually you do?
Yeah, because of the
You
stuff.
didn't.
The stuff be nasty to her, she said.
Oh.
So sometimes she just spit up the water, like the, not throw,
Okay.
not actual throw up, but like spit it.
Aftermath of it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna use a floss pick, okay? Open really big.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about those. She could use those kind.
Yeah, she can use them. I think there's one pack of them in her bag, and then there is 2 in Chloe's. So she can use those too if you're not ready to floss. Chloe, but Chloe's only 1, almost 2, so it's not super important just yet.
Okay.
Because usually they have some good spacing still. You are done. It looks like she's flossing pretty good. I didn't see any food in her teeth.
Okay. Yeah, she brushed her teeth. She took a shower and brushed her teeth before we came.
Yeah, so you can get these in the store. They're just like a sample pack. They're also flavored, like a fruit smoothie.
Okay.
So it makes it a little bit more fun. And I will just wait for the doctor to come and take a look.
Okay.
And then I'll get the little one a toy, and then for Kalia, you get the coin for the toy machine.
You get a coin to get a toy out the toy machine.
Because you're bigger, so you won't swallow like a small toy.
Yeah.
And then Kalia, when doctor gets here, I'll have you go first.
Good job. You're such a good helper. One more time. Big Awesome. Beautiful. Break.
Chloe.
Say Say awesome. Have you introduced brushing for her, Mom?
Yes, ma'am.
See a tiny chip off on this front too?
A chip?
Yeah. You wanna see this?
Okay.
Oh, done. All done.
All done, Mama.
This still needs to get her 2-year molars.
Come on, Chloe. This way, Chloe. Go.
And then for the baby, I'll get her a blue bag.
Okay. Y'all get to pick a toy.
Here you go. Here you go. And here you go. Look. You get a pink fox. And then you can go ahead and pick.
Which one are you?
And then
I'm
all
getting
of
the ring.
their next appointment's ready for
Okay.
the front, so you guys can just head out through that door.
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna get the ring done. It's not working. Yes, I did. You could do that. What did I say? That's one.
Okay. Okay, pick yours, Chloe.
Let me do it.
Pick yours, Chloe. Let me see. Now, what you got?
Arrange.
Come here, Chloe. Okay, Chloe, we don't have an all day. Come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Just pick a toy, Khalil. We have to go. No, you don't put. That one, I think, I don't know what happened with. You're going to have to pick another one, Khalil.
Yeah.
Okay. The toy, that one's broke or something because the thing ain't come.
Okay, so it's all ready for you.
Okay.
Again. For Chloe in 6 months for another cleaning.
Okay.
And for Kalia, we'll see her for about 30-40 minutes.
Okay.
Whatever they have. Next available.
Khalil, pick this dog one. Pick the dog one right there. Night, just leave that alone. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on. All right. Head it out.
Yeah.
At the post office. Got one here I gotta deliver.
Talk, daddy, talk, daddy, talk, daddy.